We want to go live again to the TD Beach to Beacon. Keith Carson is there live this afternoon with a little look at what's happening for the weekend. Thankfully, the rain will wrap up today, it sounds like, Keith.
Yeah, guys, the good news is the speeding up of that front means that this is happening right now instead of tomorrow morning for the race itself, which looked like it was in play earlier in the week, but the front sped up and sped up. Quite inclement, though, here at the moment, as you can probably see in here. Let's have a look at the radar, and we've got a couple of batches of precipitation out there right now. One exiting down East Maine, and then another whole area of showers and storms basically over our head here, over southern Maine. In fact, if you know where Cape Elizabeth is on the map, look where that cell with the lightning density is, just south of Portland. That's basically where we're at right now. We're observing quite a bit of lightning, cloud to ground here. There's another patch of that back to the west as well. And we're still watching any storms that are coming out of New Hampshire for them to be on the stronger side. You can see that severe thunderstorm watch box in effect across New Hampshire, although there have not been that many severe thunderstorms so far in that watch box itself. When it wasn't raining, you would notice that the dew points are higher in the 60s again after a period of really kind of crisp weather from last Sunday through much of this week. And we got our dew points back down into the 60s, back up, I should say, 60s and mid 60s in a couple of spots. So it feels a little bit humid here as this front works its way through, and probably through the first few hours of tomorrow morning as well. So our small scale model did a pretty decent job initializing this band of showers and storms, although you'll notice it's more complete and stronger on this depiction than it is in real life right now. But it's got the general placement correct, and it moves offshore over the next few hours. By 10, 11 o'clock tonight, we're pretty much done with the rain in most spots, and by tomorrow morning we're cleared out. And so we're going to have a mixture of sun and clouds, a little bit of fog possible along the coast, should be able to clear that out as well, get into the upper 70s to around 80 degrees by tomorrow afternoon. In fact, it's so clear through the first half of the day, we'll have a chance for a shower or thunderstorm to pop up in the afternoon. I think most of us are dry. Just something to be aware of. Then Sunday looks good with a mixture of sun and clouds, lower dew points at that point, and temperatures in the upper 70s to around 80 degrees. So the whole weekend looks good. Next week still looks pretty good. I will tell you the latest European threw a little bit of a wrench into the plans with rain coming in Monday afternoon in through Tuesday and trying to linger a little bit. We'll have to keep an eye on that midweek period and see if that low wants to develop and spend a little bit more time over us. We hope that it doesn't, obviously. If it does, we'll have to put showers in Monday afternoon and maybe even early Wednesday, so that Tuesday may expand itself if the Euro is on to something, as unfortunately it often is in the 4 to 5 day out range like that. Should be back to nice weather on Thursday, and then we'll see what happens on Friday, another computer model fight. But guys, importantly, we do have a nice weekend coming up, and this front will clear out in time that by the time we wake up tomorrow, most of us will be dry straight through the weekend.
Thankful that front moved up in time, and that would have been a mess for tomorrow. All right, Keith Carson live at the TD Beach to Beacon for us tonight. Keith, thanks so much.